Taking a peek at the final boss level, we are going to distribute and probably end up with a fraction answer. That is okay. 16 gets distributed. Remember, the term is gets distributed, okay, to all three of these terms because we're multiplying 16 by this entire quantity. The quantity, x plus 14 minus 12x. Distribute the 16 to each of those three things. So we got 16x plus 16 times 14, which is 224. I got that by multiplying 16 by 14. Minus 12 times 16 is 192. And don't forget the x because there's an x in here. Plus 5 equals, and I will rewrite the other side. And now I'm going to solve this the way I normally do. Big numbers, no big deal. Just do the same thing you usually do. 16 minus 192, because those are like terms here. That would give us negative 176x combined with these blue terms, which gives me plus 229. And that equals, I'll combine my red terms, which are my variables, negative 16x, and my blue terms, which are my constants, negative 14 plus 4. I'm down 14, gain another 4. Oh, okay, I'm up to only having lost 10 now, so that'll be plus negative 10, so minus 10. And do the same thing that we usually do. I'm going to do it in one step here because you've reached the final boss. So maybe at this point you're doing it in one step as well. Don't need to separate these two steps. You can do it all in one. Cancel that, and we're left with negative 176 plus 16, I believe, is 160, or negative 160. So negative 160x equals negative 10 minus 229. That's negative 239. Oh boy, big fraction here. Anytime I'm multiplying my x by some quantity, no matter how huge that quantity is, I still am just going to divide it by that 2, reduce this to 1. What's negative 160 divided by negative 160? It's 1. See how the principles work the same way no matter how big or small the numbers are. X equals, negative divided by negative is positive, so this is 239 divided by 160. Oh boy, we can take a look and see if those have any common factors, but it's not 100% necessary. 160 is even, 2, 3 are not factors. I'm not seeing any obvious factors, so I'm going to leave this unsimplified. Let me know if during class, either in the comments or let me know during class, whether or not this is actually the fully simplified version or if I can simplify this fraction. But that's it. It's the same thing as the previous one, but you're allowed to have fractions as your answers. Bye-bye.